Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. In this video we have snap-on and Tekton sockets. So let me get the sockets set up and the camera turned around and I'll show you what I got. Okay, here is the 6 snap-on sockets, and then these two here are Blue Point, all from Snap-on. And these 22 of them. Wait, there's more over here. Anyway, there's 22 of them are from Tekton. Can you guess which ones? Tekton, Snap-on. Can you guess which ones cost the most? Hold on just a minute. I bet you can't guess. Anyway, there's 22 of these Tektons. It was 120 bucks from Tekton. These are just sockets to fill in the spots that I have missing in my toolbox. I don't know about you, but I hate having missing sockets. Or you have a set, you put them on a new rail, and now all of a sudden you don't have all of them, which is what happened here. Put them on a new rail and the rail goes from 6 to 20. Well, my set only went from 8 to 19. So these are Snap-on. The black impact sockets are semi-deep, 6, 7, and 20. And then the chrome ones back there are 6, 7, 20 from Snap-on. Those are regular deeps, regular length that is. And in case you can't see, where is it? Let me turn it over. These are Snap-on. All of these are Snap-on. Somewhere on here, there it is. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that, Snap-on. And these are Blue Point. Still bought them on the Snap-on website. This is a 1/4 inch drive, 5/8, 6 point, deep, and then same thing, shallow. I still need the 1/4 inch drive, 5/8, 12 point. Can't find them. Whatever. I'll get them sooner or later, I guess. These 8 sockets, 6 Snap-on, and 2 Blue Points was $160. Really, Snap-on? I know your sockets or your products are supposed to be the best, but are they really that much better? I don't know. If I wouldn't have had the set already, I probably wouldn't have done that. I would have just went with Tekton. But I don't know if Tekton has semi-deeps though, but I'm sure other people do. Gray Pneumatic or Sun X or somebody. But anyway, these, like I said, these are sockets to finish filling up the sets. Basically just like those. And these are Tekton. That's a 1 inch, 6 point. Now these, Tekton has some really good products. You know, I mean, for the price, they are really good. And from what I hear, I've never broke one, so I don't know. But from what I hear, the warranty process is really easy. It's basically the same, if I ain't mistaken, the same as Ulsa and I think Capri. A couple other ones are about the same. You just take a picture of it, email them, send them the picture, and they'll send you another one in the mail. You ain't even got to send the old broke tool to them. So that's pretty cool. And when you buy from the Tekton website, you get cash back. So like if you spend $100, you get $10 you can spend on your next order. That's awesome. Like this was $120, and I get $12. Pretty cool. Anyway, this is all I got for this video. I just wanted to show you that I got some more sockets to fill in the empty spots. The empty spots in my socket drawers are driving me crazy. I can't deal with it. Every time I open the socket drawer, it makes me think there's stuff missing. Anyway, I may, when I get it all put in the socket drawer, I may show you that some of the stuff is getting filled up. I still got a few that I got to get that Tekton didn't have in stock, but we'll get there slowly but surely, getting stuff back that I sold. It is what it is. Anyway, like always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.